This morning, the Massachusetts Health Connector kicked off Deadline Week by highlighting the deadline to enroll in Massachusetts Health Connector coverage to start the new year, which is set for this Saturday. Health Connector and local officials discussed the importance of having health insurance, new eligibility for more people to save money on their health insurance, and the availability of enrollment support at Caring Health Center and other locations in and around Springfield. During open enrollment, anyone who needs health insurance can go to mahealthconnector.org and enroll in a new plan.
This is a really important time because we know a lot of people in Massachusetts this year have lost their eligibility for our state's Medicaid program, Mass Health. So we're working to bring those folks into coverage. This is a really great time for them to sign up.
And just to reiterate, you have until this Saturday to sign up.